Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take you along with me and show you what I eat in a day. I tried to make this as easy and simplistic as possible so that way even if you can't cook, you can create some healthy vegetarian meals for yourself at home during this time where everyone's pretty much at home. Before I get into the video, I did want to address some things. Yes, I'm aware we're in the middle of the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. I hope you guys are all doing well and you're healthy and staying safe. Make sure to wash your hands like everyone has been saying, and try not to lose your sanity and keep working at the arts and projects that you have ahead of you, because just because we're not going outside doesn't mean that the world stops. There's plenty of inspiration that you can get from at home and through self-reflection. So if you do need someone to talk to, if you're an extrovert like myself, I will volunteer myself as tribute. You can DM me or message me online. As an introvert, personally, I've been really enjoying this time. I feel like I've been constantly on the go and I've forced myself to become such an extrovert because of my job. I'm doing much better now. And with that being said, I hope you are too, and we'll get into the video. Start your day off with breakfast. This is one of my heartier kinds of breakfasts. I always start off with a smoothie. I end up using some frozen fruit, about a cup or so, along with a cup of almond milk. I also try to add some fresh fruit like strawberries if I have it available, and I blend it together. Sometimes I can add a little bit of maca powder or protein powder if I went to the gym before I start my breakfast, so it really depends on the day. For the main dish, we have waffles. I use the Birch Benders waffle mix. This is the protein version, but I found out it has eggs, so the plant-based one is definitely vegan. Add some almond milk and a little bit of olive oil and mix it together and add it to the Dash waffle maker. This thing is $10 and it's such a great investment. It's literally so convenient and easy to clean, super compact, and I'll just add some fruit and maple syrup and call it a day. If you want to make pancakes instead, stay tuned to the end. I have a TikTok showing you how I add a banana to that and make some banana pancakes for a rainy day. To finish off breakfast, I always add a yogurt, and I'll add some fruit and chia seeds just to make it a little bit more healthy. I try to use plant-based yogurts. Some of my favorites include So Delicious, Oui by Yoplait, the dairy-free version, This Harmless Harvest, as well as Silk. Oh, and Chobani. Chobani's so good. All of these are really great, and then I just add a little bit of maple syrup as a drizzle on the waffles, and that is breakfast. For lunch, I will make easy things like salad usually, and this time I decided to make some sliders. Super easy because they're from Guardian. It's pretty straightforward. You cook them 3 minutes on both sides. Cook the buns for 30 seconds on both sides. If you're vegetarian, you can add butter, use olive oil otherwise. Then I'll cut up half an avocado for the sandwich, and then the other half for a little bit of a side kind of snack that I'll season. I'll take chilies and cilantro and chop them up. And then I'll add some mayo. Here I added some ranch because I ran out of mayo, but use what you have available to you. Then we just kind of add that to the bottom, add the patty, a little bit of kale, avocado, and the bun. This salad is so delicious and easy to make. You just drain the kale after rinsing it for a couple minutes, chop up the leaves or cut them apart, and then you get some rosemary oil and a dash of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and then you stir that or massage it all together. Creates a gorgeous vibrant green. Then you add salt, pepper, and roasted sesame seeds and stir that all together. For the avocado, I'll always spice it up with some Cajun spice, Old Bay, or everything but bagel seasoning. Delish. For dinner, I made a stir fry with what I had on hand, but it came out pretty good. I got some cauliflower rice that was frozen, and I added that to a baking dish, and I'll tell you why in a moment. I added cumin seeds, then some frozen broccoli, a fresh bell pepper that I sliced up, and then I microwaved some meatballs because I ran out of the Guardian sweet and sour chicken. And this, my friends, is an air fryer, super convenient, easy to cook, and I don't really have to pay attention to it. I can just put it in there and leave it. So I set this to 10 minutes for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is what it looked like. I added some vegetarian stir-fry sauce because this didn't have any sauce in it. Then I put it back in for another 7 minutes so it could get a little crispy at 400. Once again, the Guardian or the Trader Joe's orange chicken is delicious, and now that this was done, I added some black pepper and called it a day. Moving on, we made some dumplings. This is super easy. I added the foil to the little tray, put 5 in there. You don't need any oil or anything. You just pop the top on. At 400, I cooked it for about 5 minutes, and that was it. Once again, you can use a pan. You can bake these or fry them, steam them, however you like to make it. I made a little sauce using soy sauce, and then I added a little bit of chili paste, which is optional, and then a drop of honey to balance it out. Super easy, came out pretty good. When I'm bulking, snacks are super important. I always end up having some type of granola with yogurt mixed in, and this time I needed a little bit more of my calories to get my benchmark. So I added a little bit of almond butter and some cinnamon just for a little bit of spice and warmth. I like this granola because it's delicious. It has a lot of protein, and when you mix it in together, the blueberries soften up. I love it. Of course, I always have a protein shake throughout the day. This is the Orgain Organic Protein with superfoods. I take 2 scoops as recommended and a cup of almond milk, and I'll shake it up. Sometimes I'll add a banana depending on if it was in the morning, and I will shake, shake, shake. And I always have this after my workout. So cheers to that, guys.
Can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to.
As promised, this is MyFitnessPal, and I always use this to track my calories and my macros. It's really great because I can always see my benchmarks. It's really useful when you're bulking or cutting and trying to reach certain goals. It's also really nice because they tell you your macros within the app. I always go for 50% carbs, 30% fat, and 20% protein. I hope you guys found that video really helpful. Once again, be sure to like the video, comment down below what you want to see from me next. If you haven't already, be sure to join the Spicy Babe community. I really want to focus on some fitness and wellness in the next coming weeks, so follow me on Instagram. I will be posting daily workout videos on there on IGTV, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I love you all so much, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!